Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing Blogely, a tool on the AppSumo marketplace that I think it's outstanding. I have been testing it for 2 weeks and it just delighted me. The kind of features that they have a pretensions roadmap and several features already ready to go, and you can just execute every step of your content marketing blog strategy using that tool. They literally mix storychief features and phrase features, and you have everything that you need to create a writing project using Blogly. So you get with one code $79, you get unlimited articles, backup, revisions, two portfolios, and one WordPress synced website. So let's see how the tool works. I'm going there. So here is Blogly, um, and you can see that on our, you can see several articles here, and it's how you start to work with the tool. So the tool is divided by the number of articles that you have. So the first thing you need to do is clicking here to create an article. So you can create a blog post, creative writing, technical writing, legal writing, ebook, whatever you want. So you can tag your content accordingly to the kind of content you are going to create. And here you can change the status of your article if it's only an idea, if it's open and you are already working on it, close it, and so on. And you can divide your articles between folders and, of course, write in the name of your article. I'm gonna take one of those that I already created. So let's see here, the my MPRE project. So you can see here the tags article, research, notice, library, etc. Those are the features on Blogly. So they have all those features here, and the idea is to create all your blog posts or book or legal writing, etc. Everything inside the tool. And how you're going to write your blog posts. So it's here on the first feature called article. So you write dividing it by blocks. So the idea is to organize better your thought. You're going to create blocks. Say introduction, it's already there, and then main content. Let's see. You're going to create heads of your article. Okay. Introduction, main content. So you have an outline on the left and the content on the right. Okay. And clicking here in the introduction, you go to the part of the article where you will write. And you can see here you can add different image. You can, of course, write, and writing you can change if it's 83, 84, 85. Okay, if it's a code. If it's a code that you're going to write, you can put it on italic, underline, etc. So you can change the font using features like 123, so to create lists, and changing the paragraphs, adding hyperlinks. And this is cool because Storychief doesn't have that by now. You can embed any iframe on Blogly. That's a feature Storychief doesn't have. So you can embed your code, your elf site code, your beacon code, any lifetime deal code related to embedding feature, and you can just write your article inside Blogly without the need to add your code after you publish your content on your WordPress website. So using StoryChief right now, they have limited kind of integrations, and they don't have a generic embed iframe feature. In Blogly, you can just embed everything on your article, and it will just appear here. Okay, so you are going to write your content using those white lines, um, using those outlines to better organize your content. You could remember also that when you force yourself to divide your content in blocks, you are working already with a better SEO because you are using the blocks to divide your article between main topics, which counts for SEO purpose. And here you can see research. Research is the phrase feature on Blogly. So you're going to do everything that phrase has a past AppSumo lifetime deal on Blogly using the research feature. You just create a new document and you add a SERP data. So any search term, for instance, MPRE exam, um, white dresses, and so on. And you can choose your countries. You're gonna see they have several countries. Your country, of course, will be here, and different languages as well. They have a lot of language. And what's gonna happen? So if you click here, you're gonna see here I have a document, a research document called MPRE exam. So if I click here, I go to my SERP analysis and I can add it directly on my research document. And on my SERP analysis, I get the better content about my search term that was MPRE exam. You can search for new keywords. You can see statistics related to the exam. You can see every question on Google related to the MPRE exam. And then clicking here, you're going to add it to your research document. And so you're going to start to create your blog posts, adding different content and the better features related to those contents. And you can see here, using the research, you can see everything on different blog posts related to the MPRE exam. I'm literally researching the 10 top results related to the MPRE exam. That's my search term. And you can go on 18, 19. So Blogly, you're going to check the best articles and they are going to select the best parts of the articles, the structure related to the SERP analysis. So that is the research document, the feature you find on Phrase. And here is the note feature, the one that I like most because it helps me to study. So as you can see, there's a lot of content here already because I'm studying for the MPRE exam. And how it works, how are the notes? So Blogly has a Chrome extension. You just install the Chrome extension on your Google Chrome, and then you can highlight everything on the internet. And everything that you highlight on the internet using the Blogly, it will automatically update on the tool. So everything that you're seeing here, they are content I pushed from the internet, highlighting the topics I wanted to create an outline for me related to the MPRE exam. Okay, so that's really cool to start and also to create, of course, papers, because you just read a PDF, browse on the internet, and you're gonna find different contents that you can use. There's different phrase, different paragraph, sentence. You can just highlight it and it will automatically appear on your note document on Blogly. And here you can see they have library. So you can just add the pictures you want related to that blog post, that post. You can add videos, you can add PDFs, you can add docs, you can add um, Excel sheets. So you can add any file format to create a library inside Blogly related to your project. So while you're writing, you will not miss your fonts. You're not gonna miss your papers. Everything will be here on Blogly organized, so you can use it to create a better blog post, a better book, etc. And as you can see here, there is a SEO feature. That way, you will upload on your WordPress website a ready blog post with the SEO already optimized. So here you can add a meta description, a SEO title, meta description. Of course, you're going to select your WordPress integration. So to add a WordPress, you only need to add your website URL, your admin, and your passwords. You will create a slug, you will add the feature email, you will define your focus keyword, and after that, Blogly will analyze your blog post and the SEO you already done related to your focus keyword to see how many points you will get on SEO. So if your blog post is optimized for SEO purpose, so everything will be done inside the tool without the need to use any other tool to analyze and create a content optimized and well researched marketing strategy. Blogly also have a collaboration feature. So if you have team members here, you can add notes and then everybody can see the thought of others and change the project accordingly to uh, the comments on the collaboration tag. Here you can see they have a plagiarism checker, so you can use Blogly to reveal the originality of your blog post, ebook, etc. You use credits for that, so it's not um, part of the lifetime deals. You can use plagiarism, but you need to buy credits. It's the lifetime deal come with 2 credits, so to test it, 500 keywords, and for it $10 you get 100 credits, so 25,000 keywords. It's not expensive to use the feature, and also besides the plagiarism feature, they added a paragraph features, a paraphrase feature that it will like paraphrase your content immediately. It's like a spin writing, but not actually spin writing, a paraphrase writing. So you using the paraphrase, you're not going to commit any kind of plagiarism. Also, as you can see here, you can social share your blog post after you publish. You can post a job because Blogly already have um, a portfolio feature and a marketplace. So the idea here, you can create content and put it for sale, and then people can buy your content on the marketplace, and they will get to know you better using your portfolio feature. You get one, two with one code. So you can see here your profile. You're gonna add your your info here and create a portfolio with your past writing experience. You can add you can also add your rate and skill, so how much you will charge per number of words. Concerning the integrations, now they have integration with WordPress, so you don't need to go to the WordPress website after you publish your after you finish your blog post. Blogly will publish automatically on your website. And you can buy more codes inside Blogly. So you buy one code on AppSumo, you can stack for $79, and you can buy more code here. If you buy a second code, you get more websites and more features. So two codes, three or WordPress connections, three codes 6, four codes 12, and five codes 20. As you can see here, if you buy five codes, you are gonna be mapped in a different plan called growth. So 1 up to 4, you are in the solo plan, on the solo plan. If you buy 5, you are on the growth plan. So you will get in the future the unlimited integrations and unlimited automations. Those integrations and automations are not unlimited if you buy 1 up to 4. Only if you buy the fifth code, you are gonna get everything. So as you can see, Blogly is a hub to write your content that will be posted on the internet afterward. So you can see also a calendar inside Blogly. Then you can check your past and future blog posts. Here is your portfolio page, so you can upload your logo, your details, everything that can be found by the buyer, and then the buyer can um, hire you to write a blog post to him, to her. All right. So is Blogly like storychief? Is Blogly like phrase? Blogly has both features. It has phrase features and storychief features because you can create a research document, research content on the internet, and then you can publish it using Blogly. And you can write your content, uh, adding several features, several you have different kind of features that you can use to create your blog post, adding image, embedding codes, etc. Also, you have on Blogly features that are not on storychief and phrase. For instance, the note feature. That for me is the most powerful feature on Blogly and the one I use it most, because with the notes feature, I can just research the internet, the content that I want, and I easily highlight it using Blogly, and then I have the best content that I need to create um, a blog post. I did it already. I create a really good blog post about social psychology on my Portuguese blog using the Blogly feature notes. I was just like highlighting everything that I need to that blog post. And when I started to write, it was much easier because I already have the kinds of content I needed. Okay, so I do recommend Blogly. I think it's powerful. It gives a lot of features with one code, and if you are already using Google Docs or Doc to create your content on the internet, it takes a lot of time to finish everything and to organize everything on WordPress. So Blogly just eliminates the hassle for you and create a content hub that you can use to write your projects on the internet. So it's a deal for me. I bought one code. I really liked it. That is the Blogly review. If you liked it, please click on the link below and help me to keep